Good afternoon student. Today we are going to revise the lesson 1 history Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdom. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. Who was the greatest ruler of Sangam dynasty? What is the answer? Devaraya II. Which was the most common animal depicted on the pillars of Vijayanagar style? What is the answer? Horse. And who was the last ruler of Sangamam dynasty? Veerabhaskar Raya II. Veerabhaskar Raya II. Who ended the Sultan in Madurai? Kumara Kampan. Name the Bahmani king who was the linguist and a poet. Sultan Feroz. And fill in the blanks. First one, Das was the capital. Aravid dynasty, Benugonda. And second one, Vijayanagar Empire issued the large number of gold coin is called Varaga. Muhammad Khan used Das gems to teach the preparation and use of gunpowder. Persian. In Vijayanagar administration, Das looked after the affairs of village Kauda. Match the following. First one, Vijayanagara, Prataprutra, Krishna Devaraya, Abdur Razak and Tenali Ramakrishnan. What is the Vijayanagara means? Correct answer, city of victory. Prataprutra, ruler of Odisha. Krishna Devaraya, her court will be adorned by Ashtatikachas, 8 ministers. And Abdur Razak, the Persian embassy. And Tenali Ramakrishnan is the Panduranga Mahatyam. It's a book. And fourth Roman letter, question 1, assertion. The Vijayanagar army was considered one of the feared armies in India. Reason, Vijayanagar armies used both the firearm and cavalry. What is this? Both is correct. So R is correct explanation of A. And question 2, find out the wrong pair. Silk will from China, spices from Arabia, Perseus stone from Burma, Madurai Vijayam is Ganga Devi. What is the wrong pair? Spices from Arabia is the wrong. Find out the odd one out. Harigara 2, Muhammad 1, Krishna Devaraya and Devaraya 1. So who is the wrong? Karigara, Krishna Devaraya and Devaraya Vijayanagar kingdom they are ruling. So Muhammad 1 is the Bahmani king ruler. So different one. Consider the following statement and find out which is the or correct. Turquoise stone is one of the jewel royal seats of Persian king described in Ferdowsi Shah Nama. The second, the port-like religions between the river Krishna and Tungabhadra and Krishna Godavari Delta were the zones of conflict among the ruler of Vijayanagar and Bahmani. Second one, Muhammad I was educated at Multan. Muhammad Khan served with a great distinction. Which and all correct? First one, second one and fourth one is the correct answer. True or false? Harigara and Pukka were the founder of Bahmani kingdom. Is that correct? No, he is founder of Vijayanagar kingdom. So the wrong. Said false. Krishna Devaraya, who resigned for 20 years, was the most traitorous ruler of Sangamam dynasty. Is that false? Alsani Bethana was the greatest of all Ashtatikachas. Is correct. True. This kingship of Vijayanagar administration was hereditary based on the principle of primogeniture. Is that true? There was 80 monarchs of the Bahmani dynasty. Is correct. So it's true. Next, sixth Roman letter, answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, the 4 dynasty of Vijayanagar kingdom with reference to prominent ruler of each dynasty. The answer, 4 dynasty named Sangamam, Saluva, Tuluva and Aravid. And question 2, Battle of Talikot. Answer, the Sultan of Deccan kingdom formed a leakage to fight the Vijayanagar empire. The combined forces of the enemies met at Sadasiva Raya Talikot in 1565. In the ensuing battle known as Raksatandikai Battle of Talikot, Vijayanagar was defeated. Question 3, the structure of governance in Vijayanagar kingdom. The empire was divided into different mandalams, Nadu, Sadalas and finally into Gramas. Each province was administered by governor called Mandaleswara. The lowest unit was village. Each village had the Grama Sabha, Kauda, village headman looked after the affairs of the village. The army consisted of the infantry, cavalry and elephant corps. And question 4, 5 independent kingdoms of Deccan Sultanate. What are the? Bida, Bijpur, Ahmednagar, Ferrar and Kolkata. And question 5, the educational reform of Alauddin Qasim Shah. Answer, Alauddin Qasim Shah on his accession took special care in founding the school to educate his son and open the institution for the purpose of educating the children of noble families in the art of solitary. Up to 5 short answer and 1 words you will be revised. Thank you, student.